look at Africa, many questions come to mind. Many times I ask myself, what would happen if Mwalimu were to rise up and see what is happening? Many times I ask myself, what would happen if Kwame Nkrumah and Patrice Emery Lumumba were to rise up and see what is happening? Because what they would be confronted with is an Africa where the Democratic Republic of Congo is unsettled. There is a war going on there, but it's not on the front pages of our newspapers. We don't even control our newspapers and the media. They'll be confronted with an African where people have lost their self-pride. As I speak to you, the Central African Republic is at war.
doubt that they can hear us because I changed the music and it's a lot louder now.
Why are you yelling?
The music is so loud and it doesn't start getting quieter. Oh, Phantom, you can't stay there, buddy. Oh, Phantom.
Here, baby.
Gotta move. Thanks. Thanks for that.
MVP. Oh my god, this is the most sexy ever put on my tongue.
This is a good fucking cake.
We are enjoying a piece of Sonia-did chocolate from Carrabba's.
It's fucking good. You hear the music now?
I've been hearing music forever.
Forever. Always in your mind. I'm not yelling. The music is so good. I hope it's not too loud. It's gonna fade out very Are we having a conversation in your head? So I just got a DeviantArt link that says Undertale Omega Temi GIF. I don't know if I think that may be like porn. Let's look at it. Look at this link that was sent.
That's freaky. That was just screwed up, man. Alright, let's give the people something to see.
That's quite a thing. Here you go. Here's something to see. Photos. There you go. Like, know people who are in here. Oh, I could just do this because it's monitor capture tonight. Get out of all this shit. We need to play. We need to put the chat back up just in case. We need to get to Steam.
Why is it all gone?
And we need to get to A Bird Story.
Yes, but why is it all gone?
You ate all of the chocolate?
Give me the chocolate.
Give me the chocolate. Yes! Now you know what I'm talking about.
Yes, I sure do.
When I say every time I hear the word chocolate, that's what I think of. Like,
That's terrible.
literally every time.
That's disgusting. It's sad.
I don't know if that's too loud.
You know what? Phantom's leaning on my...
Phantom, get off the
No,
shit.
it's fine. It's fine. I was like,
Okay. Okay. You gotta get the chat up and get it off that thing.
is that Yoshi?
Who? The cat in the video?
No, it's not.
No. Yoshi was white. Good lordy lord. Okay. I think that should be fine. Just take a look at that whole volume. It feels like it's loud in my ear. What? The fuck's so funny?
My head is heavy.
Why did my chat keep going away?
Because there's nobody there. They all left.
That's true. True. You're not lying. Actually, just get rid of this. There we go. Now, get rid of this. There we go. And now there should be no reason.
Oh my god, how beautiful that screen is behind.
Oh, the fucking... Yeah, it's pretty.
The gold and silver, oh my.
Alright. Ready to play bird game?
Bird.
A bird story? The most creatively named video game of all time? What?
It's like the To the Moon thing.
Right? This fucking kid? That's us.
We pissing in a bush?
No, we're climbing the bush. He's looking in the bush. He's got two fists in the bush.
Oh my god.
The fuck is he looking for? Is he like that kid? The dad always says you couldn't find your ass with 2 hands and a map.
You just threw a paper airplane.
Yes, you threw a paper airplane. That's actually a plot point. Glad you noticed that.
I noticed that. I noticed the thing. Are they seeing anything?
Yeah, it's monitor capture. It's fine.
I don't see it there.
What? Are they saying or seeing?
Yeah.
Oh, because I don't have OBS up, but OBS is still working. Hey, this kid's
Hey, do this.
looking in his journal.
Oh my.
This kid's going to bed at like 11:10 at night. Who lets their like 3-year-old stay up till 11:10?
I don't think he's that young.
He's probably like realistically.
Stop yelling.
I'm not yelling.
Yes, you are.
Realistically, he is probably about Rora's age.
Rura.
Maybe a little older, like 10. He's supposed to be 10 years old.
That's a moon.
That's where Johnny went.
To the moon.
Still 11:10. He's just
tossing and a turning. Poor kid.
What does this kid have to worry about? Oh, time is going back.
Oh, we're going back into time.
You gotta go back in time. Oh shit, it wants me to do a thing.
Meow, meow.
Why am I going backwards? We're Michael
You're turning
Jackson.
off.
We're Michael Jackson moonwalking it through our dreams.
Well, my dreams are like spaghetti hair, people.
The hell? Oh, the paper airplane again. Can't stage whisper. Oh shit! I'm supposed to do something with it. Would have just sat there all day.
Well, that would be unfortunate.
Okay.
In your memory.
Gotta. Oh shit! Totally am. When you're right, you're right.
Turning off all that time.
Yep. Now we turned into that kid.
That fucking.
That is what's the? Okay, 3 o'clock.
And all's well. Why are you giving me the stink palm? Why are you giving me the...
Why are you giving me the stink palm? Okay, this kid's in class. What is...
I don't know what's going on.
This kid is having a dream. You can tell it's a dream because it's sepia toned.
What the hell does sepia mean?
Sepia, that's a thing. It means there's like a tan picture.
Never heard that word in my life.
Sepia?
I've heard of Giuseppe. Is that close?
You never heard of sepia? That's like a whole fucking Instagram filter.
I don't even have Instagram.
Nobody has Instagram.
How's it so popular then?
Like, really popular girls have Instagram, and
I'm
they're all...
not real popular, I see.
What did that kid do?
Blowing more right in her butt. Keep
Square root of 1764
is
equals cat.
Wow.
What's the square root of 1764?
I don't know.
I gotta know. That kid
I
blamed
gotta
us.
know what
That
you're
kid blamed
thinking.
us. What's the square root of 1764?
$42.
The answer is 42.
But what if cats have to do with 42s?
Yeah, right?
I don't get this world we're living.
Oh, that was still part of the cutscene. I thought I was just standing there, but that was actually the game. It was still showing us stuff.
You're still yelling.
I'm not yelling.
You are.
I'm not.
Can anybody see anything? Because nobody's written anything.
Nobody's there. Everyone's out on Friday night. They're out at fucking Carrabba's like we were.
Wild West Wings. No, West.
Wild West Wings.
36th Street Wings.
West Wings with Michael Caine.
No.
Oh, teacher's talking. Okay. This kid got in super trouble.
Super trouble.
So he is leaving.
Isn't this supposed to be about birds?
We're getting there.
All we're doing is walking.
We're getting there. We're in class. This is a bird story. Trust me. There'll be a bird.
Unless you're saying the paper airplane is a bird. There's no bird.
There's gonna be a bird. I promise you that. This kid can't even get a second for his fucking teeter-totter. Now he's all sad. It's like, I can't make friends. Bleh. He gets in like the sand pit. Okay.
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
We met up with, and now we're walking through the forest. It's like we're done with school.
School?
And we're going back
You said
home.
this game couldn't hold a full stream. We haven't even found a bird yet, and we're like half an hour in.
We're not a half hour in. We're like 5 minutes.
Really? No way.
It
feels like we've been doing this forever.
Wow, rude.
I'm just saying.
Okay, look, we're home. We're home.
Are you sure
Yeah.
we're streaming?
We're home.
That's not what I asked.
Wait a sec. Oh God.
What?
Am I actually streaming?
You are streaming?
Oh? Oh my God. Am I not streaming at the moment? I don't know why I'm asking him. I already know the answer. Fuck me.
You haven't been streaming?
Oh, fuck me.
I'm like, nobody's coming in.
Oh, fuck me.